everyone, and welcome to Forever Matters. It's the start of 2025, and we have a brand new show with a brand new look. My name is Shayla, and I'm the Global Social Media Specialist here at Home Office in Scottsdale, Arizona. Yes, we are definitely shaking things up and changing things around in this show with exciting updates on global happenings, recognitions, products, and so much more. Be excited. Going forward each month, Forever Matters will be featured in different country locations. And we're going to be featuring Forever family from all over the world. Just like this Hall of Flags here in the heart of Home Office. In 2025, Forever Matters is going to be focused completely on you, the FBO. We're going to be focused on your stories of growth and wellness throughout the year. Let's hear from one now from our home, North America.
Hi, my name is Belty Garcia. I'm a Sapphire Manager and I've been with Forever for 13 years. I choose Forever because it gives me the freedom to build my own future, the confidence of world-class products, and the opportunity to change lives. One way I grew my business is by focusing on building strong, authentic relationships with my customers and team. My number one tip for new FBOs is to never be afraid to dream big and set bold goals. Take consistent action every day, no matter how small. Focus on progress, stay committed, and watch how quickly your dreams can become reality.
Thank you for sharing your incredible story. So now I'm here in the executive area where we celebrate all of you. So with that in mind, here's to our newest gym managers.
Here are our new Sapphire managers for this month. First up, congratulations to Amal Shaka Awad, Rahel Belima, Savink Bayasavaz, Renata Blazajuska Polak, Antonia De Fede, Manoj and Kiran Mudhu, Abdullah Nouri Sahab, Maninda Singh, Atsuko Yoshino, Ryoko Sugawara, Nanami Sakamoto, Mikaku Kado, Nukumisa Tuletu Majezi. And next up are Diamond Sapphire managers. Congratulations to Natalie Meyer-Hoffer, Lucas and Irene Mokotsani, Reiko Kakehara, Shiho Yagami. And finally, our brand new Diamond managers for this month. Congratulations to Mitsuhu Arita.
And now we're going to kick things off with Sierra to give great and exciting updates about the foundation, which actually makes me think of Forever Global Rally coming up in Paris. And I do think you guys would love a little sneak peek of our newest Aloe baby. Super cute. Well, actually, you're not supposed to see that yet.
A new year is a great time to take on new challenges, and we want to invite you to continue your support with us for Charity Water into 2025. Speaking of new challenges, we're excited to announce that Forever business owner Felix from the United Kingdom is helping us to raise funds and awareness for Charity Water by taking on the challenge of the Marathon des Sables, a 150-mile race across the Sahara Desert. You can continue your support by contributing to our Water Warriors campaign as Felix continues to train for one of the hardest foot races in the world. This incredible challenge requires months and months of training, so make sure to follow along our social media to see how funds raised through this challenge will help bring a brighter future to women and children around the world. 2025 is a special year for us because we are celebrating 15 years of the Rexmon Forever Giving Foundation. 15 is a number that I want you to remember, and I want to challenge all of you to go to bit.ly/warriorfelix and donate $15 today to support Felix in his challenge to bring clean water to more families around the world.
Thank you, Sierra. You are now joining me here in the historic Home Office boardroom where all the big Forever decisions have been made over the years. And one of the things that's discussed here is your success. So let's go over the top 10s for December. Let's check in with our VP of Product Development, Holly Stout, as she gives her product tip for the month of January.
Thank you, Shayla. Hello, Forever family. Let's talk gut health. Why? Because the entire world of social media is telling the story of the microbiome and the relationship of the gut to the brain. And you have the perfect product to compete in this space, Forever Active Pro B. This is a 6-strain probiotic, but it's a smart formula with the addition of 2 ingredients. One is fructooligosaccharides. Sounds like a big word. All it is food to feed the live bacteria inside each capsule. The second ingredient is zinc, designed to support a healthy immune system. You have everything you need to pair with your aloe vera gel and make Forever Active Pro B the thing that everybody's talking about. I wish you continued success.
So there it is, episode 1 of our 2025 Forever Matters. Let us know if you enjoyed this new format and what you love to see in the future. Our next episode is going to be filmed in a great global location, so be excited to tune into that and make sure you stay committed to what matters most.